If you are a longtime fan of our Silly George false lashes, or you would like to try some of our false lashes, you need to check out our lash box sets. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through both the Heavenly box set and the Girl Naturale box set. Both are great value for money and have absolutely beautiful lashes. Let's get into it. So as you saw, we do have two different lash box sets. Both are very similar, but also very different. And I'm going to take you through what those differences are now. First of all, the Heavenly Lash box set contains our super natural lashes. These lashes look very natural on the eye. They have a clear band and look great for every day. They blend in seamlessly with your natural lashes and tend to have a more wispy quality, and they pair very well with our clear LinerBond Pro. So as you can see, the Heavenly box set comes with 3 pairs of lashes, a pair of AURORA lashes, a pair of CASSIOPEIA lashes, a pair of ASTRA lashes, 1 clear LinerBond Pro, 1 black LinerBond Pro, and a pair of our Silly George tweezers. These tweezers are absolutely life-changing. You need to get your hands on these tweezers. Moving on now to our Girl Naturale box set. This one includes 3 of our Girl Series lashes. The Girl Series lashes are a little bit more dramatic. They look great on a night out and have a black band. They work amazingly with both of our LinerBond Pros, but particularly well with our black LinerBond Pro, and tend to have a bit more of a dramatic effect. As you can see here, once again, our Girl Naturale lash box set comes with both of the LinerBond Pros, 1 in clear and 1 in black. It also comes with 3 of our lashes from the Girl Series lashes, 1 pair of Girl NEXTDOOR lashes, 1 pair of Girl About Town lashes, 1 pair of Crush lashes, and you have my absolute favorite, the tweezers. This is a great introduction to our Girl Series lashes. There are 3 very different lashes to try here. These box sets are a great option for beginners if you are new to false lashes, because not only are you given 3 different lashes to try, but you also have lashes to fall back on if you happen to make a mistake or trim a little bit too much off the lash. So you're not only going to have a variety of lashes, but you're going to have leftover lashes if you do make a mistake the first time round. I think the biggest reason for purchasing a Silly George box set is honestly the price and the money that you are saving. Our Heavenly box set, for example, is $99, but if you were to purchase every single product individually, it would come to $155. That is a saving of $56. They are a really great way to test out multiple lashes, to test out multiple liner bonds, and you get some tweezers in there as well. So it's just an awesome introduction to the brand. So if you are new to Silly George, we would really recommend you check them out. And if you are a long-time lover of Silly George, they are also a great way to top up on your favorite products from the brand. It's really everything you need from Silly George. They are also great options for gifts, so don't forget about them when it comes to Christmas and birthdays. How to choose which box set is for you. Are you the type of person who goes out a lot and wants to wear their lashes out on the town with a really big, bold eye look? If that is the case, I would 100% recommend the Girl Naturale box. You're gonna get that more dramatic lash. They have a black band and will look great with eyeliner and really finish off a big, bold eye look. In comparison, if you are the type of person who wants to wear a lash every day, you want to enhance your natural lashes, you have a lot of daytime events, and you just want your lashes to look that little bit better than natural, then I would definitely recommend you go for the Heavenly box set. It's going to be perfect for the everyday lash. It's going to look natural. It's going to look like your lash, but better. I hope I convinced you today to try out our box sets. If you would like to purchase them, you can find them online on our website. The link will be down below. They are currently on sale, so definitely get in quick so you don't miss out. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you next time with another video.